Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to mark a Facebook group post as an announcement. I'm also going to explain why you might not see this feature currently. I'm also going to show you how you can still pin a post in your Facebook group. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about Facebook group announcements, check out our comprehensive blog post on roihacks.com, where we also show you this process with screenshots and also share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. And you can also find hundreds of tutorials on social media and Facebook marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial: if you want to grow your Facebook group, get more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Facebook group growth checklist that you can download from our website roihacks.com, and now it's completely free. Links to the 38-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so here's how you can mark a Facebook post as an announcement. It's really easy, so let's add a test post here. Click on post, so it will be posted now. And all you have to do is click on the three dots here, click on see all, and as you can see here you can mark the post as an announcement. Now the post is marked as an announcement, and as we're going to explain a little bit later, Facebook is renaming announcements to featured posts. But in some Facebook groups, if you have an older Facebook group, the feature is still available. However, the tab name has been renamed to featured already. So by clicking here and refreshing the page, now as we can see, this test post has been added to the featured list, to the announcement list. And now if we click on the three dots again and click on see all here, first we can pin it to the top. So if this post wouldn't be on the top of the featured list, for example here, then we can pin it to the top, so it will always show up as a first post. This can be useful, and you can also remove it as an announcement. So let's say we pin this post to the top and refresh the page, and now as you can see it has been pinned to the top, and it will, when someone opens this Facebook group, now he or she will see this pinned announcement on the top of the Facebook group feed. However, as I mentioned, this feature has been renamed to the featured. So it's possible that in your Facebook group you won't be able to see announcements anymore. However, we'll be able to use or do similar things with this featured post feature. And basically, if you have a test post like I have this here, it works pretty much the same. So you have to click on see all and pin to featured. And this is basically similar to announcements featured. So if you don't see the announcements marked as an announcement button, just click on this pin to featured, and it will create a feature tab, and it will show up as a pinned post. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook group growth checklist, so you can get 38 checkpoints we use to 10x the number of members in a Facebook group. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for roihacks.com and add Facebook group growth checklist. Also, if you want to know more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook group, make sure to check out our Facebook group marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see in the screen here. See you next time.